Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to integrate MCPs in your agents. Let's start. To connect the MCP server, first we need to provide a prompt. I already have some scripts stored, so I'm going to use one here. As soon as the response comes, we get a button. Here's the button to connect to the MCP server. Now we can see all the available MCPs. Since I'm creating a chatbot for insurance, I wanted to send a payment link for my insurance plan. For that, I need a Stripe MCP server. First, we provide an MCP name and then add the keys here. Next, we have the tools option. Select the options you want to use. I don't need these two I only need the payment link and Stripe plan related options. So I'll uncheck the others. Now I'm going to connect it. After connecting, I need to define its use case. I'll give another prompt. It should return the payment link for the selected plan. Now I'm going to test it. It's showing my plan. I'll select the individual living trust. I've received the payment link. I can simply click it and proceed with the payment. If I don't want this plan, for example, if I want to buy the couple living trust, I can just ask the bot to show plans. If I select the couple living trust, the respective payment link will be shown. Let's check it. In the same way, I can define more use cases and create different scenarios with MCPs. See you in the next video. That's it. Thanks for watching.